Do you see? And under the rates, we have the different like, valid, invalid, all of them, you can create it under the rates. Okay. Is it clear, everybody? So this is how you go on creating the requirements. Alright. And then once the requirements are created, so you can go to the test plan and then create the test cases. But there are some more features over here in this which I would like to show you. So if you go to the view, currently we are into the requirement coverage. If you click here on the requirement grid, it will show you all the requirements that are available. If you go to the view and then say requirement tree, a tree diagram is available with all the requirements like this. Do you see? All of them are available like this. Okay. Then we have the view, we have the requirement grid. Okay. So in the requirement grid, you will not be able to see any kind of tree view. You will be able to see the list of requirements over here. Can you see, everybody? The list of requirements are available. Okay. Without any parent and child relationship. Alright. Now here you can do the filtering. If I want to see only the particular set of requirements, I can go for the filter. Click here on the set filter, right? And then you can set the filter over here. For example, I enter the author name. I want to see all the requirements that are created by Alex and Robert. Okay, I want to do the filtering over here, wherein I want to see all the requirements that are created by the Alex and Robert. For that, I got to go to the view here and then requirement grid. Once we are in the requirement grid, go to the filter and then select here. Who are the authors that you want? You want the authors Alex or Robert. Then click on the OK button. So you can see here, right? Alex and Robert are selected. So you will get all the requirements that are created by Alex and Robert. Now you can also do the ordering. Okay, so let's say I want to order by requirement ID. I select the requirement ID, click on this arrow mark and then the requirement ID gets added. You can arrange in the ascending order and then the descending order. And then we have something called as the grouping. Observe carefully. Okay, so you got to tell me what happens. I select the priority over here. Okay, now you tell me what happens. Just observe. Okay, I've selected the priority and then I'll click on the OK button. You have to observe and tell me what happens to your requirements. I select the priority. Can I click on the OK button? Are you ready to observe? Yes? Can you observe? Okay then. So let me click on OK button. Yes, now tell me, what do you observe? What do you mean by grouping? So do you see all the requirements are grouped based on the priority? Okay. Urgent priority, one group. High priority, one more group. Very high priority, another group. Medium priority, one group. Low priority, one group. Right. So based on the priority, it is grouped. Correct. Then you have the requirement ID over here. Do you see we have sorted it based on the requirement ID? 12, 13, 27, 38. Okay, Divya, you should not open the quality center when I am discussing. Okay, first view the demonstration and then you have to open the quality center. You have missed a step there. That is why you are not able to see the group option. Okay, just wait. We'll complete this part. I'll give you some time. You can try out on your computer. In case you have issues, please let me know. Okay. Okay. So here we have the requirement ID. Do you see? 12, 13, 27. So here we have sorted based on the requirement ID because it is mentioned here, right, that we want to sort based on the requirement ID. We had selected and that also in the ascending order. Then we wanted all the requirements that are created by Alex and Robert. So you take any set over here all the requirements will be either created by Alex or by Robert. Okay. So this is how you can do the filtering. You can view the particular set of requirements based on the filter option. Okay. So you can try this out. Everybody try this out. Okay. So try to create some requirements if you have the quality center, and also try to do this kind of filtering. Okay. Yes, and whoever do not have the quality center installed, whatever we discussed, just write the steps. Okay. Just write the steps. If you have not installed the quality center, no problem. Okay. Write the steps, theoretical steps on your notepad, your paper, somewhere. Keep it ready so that when your quality center is available, you can start using it. Sure, Nancy, recording everything will be sent. Okay. See here, Preeti, you can go to the filter and then you can create the requirements over here. You can filter the requirements. And Safia, we are not going to use Alex and Robert. See, a single requirement cannot be created by both Alex and Robert. Either it can be created by Alex or it can be created by Robert. That is why we use the OR condition. Okay. So you try this out. You can take about 5 to 10 minutes and then we will proceed to the next feature. Okay. Okay. So you can try it out. Take 10 minutes, open your quality center and try. And Divya, you were not able to see the group, right? So what you do is go to the view. First of all, choose the requirement grid. Okay. You were in the requirement tree. That is why you cannot see the grouping. If you go to the requirement grid under this view, you will be able to see the grouping option also. Okay. So try this out for 10 minutes and then after that, we will start with the test plan, and if you have any issues, you can write it over my chat box. Alright, go ahead everybody. Okay then. Take care everybody and then have a good night.